Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and this is Barb. Things look different because I'm camping. Sorry for the dog who is crying at the door. He wants to go outside, which I will do as soon as I am done. So what we're going to need today is a pan that I have already put some spray in, some refried beans, some mild cheddar, sour cream, and some taco sauce. Okay, and what we're doing is we're making a bean dip today. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is get these refried beans smashed down into the tin. Okay, now that we got our refried beans into the tin, we are going to use some sour cream. We're going to smash that down in there now. We're going to layer these. I used some out of this already, but it usually takes about maybe 12 ounces. But you know what? We don't need to use any measurements today, except for the 1 can of beans. So we're going to put some sour cream in. Okay, so I spread the sour cream everywhere. Well, not everywhere, but I got it contained into the pan. Otherwise, I'm in trouble and I got a mess to clean. Okay, so now we're going to take our taco sauce. And you know, however much you want. I like my things spicy. So instead, I could have used the spicy jalapeno refried beans, but I couldn't find them. So instead, I am going to use the hot taco sauce. You know, just so I have that spicy, because that's what I'm looking for here. You can get regular. Not everybody likes spicy. And just put however much you like. No measurements here are wrote in stone. Get those edges. So I think that looks good, good, good. Okay. And then we're going to top it with, I'm going to use some mild cheddar cheese. You could use sharp cheddar if you like. I think that would taste great in this. And I'm just gonna, again, layer of cheese. I am gonna make it a generous layer of cheese because I like cheese. Don't forget those edges. Okay, this is starting to look pretty good. How much do I got here? I'm going to use this whole bag. I just really want those edges filled. I think that looks perfect. Okay, I am not putting a lid on this. I'm going to pop it in the oven for 20 minutes at 350. Okay, friends, and this is what it looks like coming out of the oven. I'm just going to use these cheap chips because, of course, I'm always on a budget. Okay. Oh, of course, it breaks. The chips are really fresh. I believe that's why they're baking. I'm going to have to take a minute and let this cool off, or I'm not going to be able to eat anything else because I'll be burned. Okay, please make sure you let this cool off before you test it. All right, I'm going to bust a move on this thing. Looks really good. I like that. I think I wish it was a little bit more spicier, but I always do. Okay. And I like the tang that the sour cream is giving it. I usually would make a bean dip with cream cheese, and I'll show you how to do that or what that looks like. The cheese was perfect with this. And it was just great. I love it. So I'm going to give this to my friends, let them taste it. And of course, I'm going to devour it up also because I love beans. I love taco sauce. I love cheese. I like sour cream. I just like everything in this. Okay, friends. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. Most of all, friends, keep on cooking, and I love you all.